Today's lesson is lesson 62, estimating arithmetic answers with rounded and compatible numbers. So we have found exact answers, but for some problems, finding an exact answer may take many steps and a lot of time. So today we're going to practice getting close to an exact answer. So this is called estimating, okay? So it's not an exact answer, but it's going to be close. And this can help us reduce errors by showing us if a calculated answer is really far from the estimation. So it can tell us if our estimation is reasonable, okay? So this says estimate the product of 29 and 19. Is the estimate greater than or less than the actual product, and how do you know? So we're going to estimate to find out about how much an exact answer would be. So we're going to round the numbers before we do the work. So 29 is going to round up to 30, and 19 is going to round up to 20. And it says product, so I know that I'm going to be multiplying, okay? So the 0 just drops straight down, and I cross it off. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 3 is 6. So my answer is 600, okay? So since I rounded both 29 and 19 up, that means that my estimate is going to be greater than my actual number, or the actual answer, okay, because I rounded both of those numbers up. Okay. All right, on this next problem it says estimate the sum of $8.95, $7.23, $11.42, and $6.89 by rounding to the nearest dollar before adding. Okay, so for each amount, if the number of cents is 50 cents or more, I round up to the next dollar. If it's less than 50, then I round down. Okay, so $8.95 rounds to $9. $7.23 rounds to $7. $11.42 rounds to $11. Okay. And $6.89 rounds to $7. Okay, let's scoot these dollar signs over. Okay, so now I can add these up. So I know 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. And then 10 plus 7 is 17. And 17 plus 7 is 24. So I'm going to carry my 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer is $34. Okay. All right, let's do the next problem. This one says estimate the perimeter of the rectangle by first rounding the length and the width to the nearest 10 millimeters. Okay, so 78 is going to round to 80 millimeters. And 31 is going to round down to 30. Okay, so let's find the perimeter. So the perimeter equals 80 plus 80 plus 30 plus 30. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22. So my answer is 220 millimeters. So we had explained why this answer is reasonable because my exact answer would actually be 218 millimeters, and that's really close to my estimation. Okay. All right. So an average cat weighs about 14 pounds, and an average porpoise, or dolphin, weighs about 103 pounds. About how many more pounds does a porpoise weigh than a cat? Okay. So I'm going to use compatible numbers in this case. I'm going to look to see if there are nearby numbers that fit together well. So with this one, I can actually change 103 to 104, and I can subtract 14 from it really easily, okay? Because I know 4 minus 4 is 0, and then 10 minus 1 is 9. So my answer is going to be about 190 pounds. Remember, LBS is the abbreviation for pounds. Okay, so you can estimate by rounding or using numbers that are compatible with each other to make it easier. Okay, all right, so let's multiply 41 times 23 and by rounding. So 41 I would round to 40, and 23 I'd round to 20. So the 0 we just drop down and cross it off. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8. So this is about equal to 80. When it's an estimate, we use a squiggly line equal sign. Okay. All right, let's do the next one. 38 and 19. Well, we're going around 38 up to 40 and 19 up to 20. Drop the 0 down and cross it off. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer is going to be 800, which was about the same as the last one, which was the same answer. Okay. So even though our estimates of these two numbers are the same, our answers would be different. Okay, the actual answer. Because 41 times 23 equals 943. And 38 times 19, is equal to 722. So both of these numbers are about 800, but they're not exact. Okay, and that's it for today's lesson. Good luck on your homework.